Welcome to a quick demo of the new K9 CLI. We're going to pull the K9 access reports from our secure inbox. Then we're going to look at the K9 dev account and see who the IAM administrators are and what's changed recently. First, let's get some credentials. Using AWS Vault. All right. Now we're going to follow the directions in the README. So first we're going to export the location of our secure inbox. Then we're going to list what customers are in that inbox. So we have a dev customer, one that's used for development, and then this the second one is our actual customer that we analyze K9 accounts with. So we're going to export that as a variable because we're going to use that a lot in the subsequent commands. So now let's list what accounts we are monitoring for that customer. Okay, we have two accounts, and the K9 dev account and another test account. So again, we're going to export a variable. So we're going to be examining that account several times. Let's list the reports that are available in that bucket. There's a whole lot of them. These are all time-stamped with the time of delivery, or organized by the time of delivery. So let's just make sure that we have all of the reports here locally. We'll sync them using the -v option so we can monitor the progress. Now we're going to check and see who the IAM administrators are in this account. So we're going to do that with the K9 query risks IAM admins. And then we're going to put in our customer and account ID, and we're going to pick an analysis date of what they are today. Let's see, let's do the 21st. And we'll pick format of JSON. This could also be CSV. Okay, boom. So that's a bunch of output in JSON. Now that's not all that easy to read for people, but we can run it through JQ. And boom, here are the names of the principals who are IAM administrators in the K9 dev account. So, like a relatively simple command for a script that you're gonna automate the answer to that question. And, you could diff that over time if you wanted to. Speaking of diff, let's see what principles have changed since the beginning of the month. So again, it's got the familiar, we'll use the K9 diff subcommand. We're going to diff principles and specify the customer ID, account, and analysis date since the beginning of the month till now. And here is what has changed. So these are all the principles. We can see these come out in CSV. So there's changes amongst a little over 30 principles because there's a heading. So if we run the diff of the principles through less, we'll see we have a nice CSV formatted doc or output that lists what principle has changed. And typically this change is that the principle is used. That's it for this quick demo of K9 CLI. If you have any questions, please ping us at support@k9security.io. Check us out on GitHub.